Okay, as we were before, so the last one, the third. Okay, we have the internet of Brandon. Okay, the internet of Brandon. Okay, so the link is on here. Okay, or the first thing is that we are going to count how many words do we have. The internet of Brandon. Okay, here we can see that we have four words. Okay, so but if I make linking song, I can make it with the and internet. Okay, the internet. Okay, so I can make the linking song here because when we see that a word finish or a word ends in a when finish in a vowel and the next word begin in a vowel too, but it's the same, we are going to pronounce just one, not two, just one. Okay, the internet. Okay, it's not the internet, no, the internet. Okay, the internet of Brandon. The another linking song we can make it with net and off, net off, net off, net off, net off. Okay, the internet of Brandon, the internet of Brandon, the internet of Brandon. Okay, so next one. So and the last one I have a reading comprehension that it is about it's about the life of or an special thing of Martha. So here's a my favorite possession. Martha, this watch is the most important thing I've had. My father gave me this present on my 16th of birthday. Okay, a long time ago, it was my grandfather's watch. You can see the date uh, on the back. Okay, 1953. It's very old. It's also a bit big because it's a man's watch, but I don't mind. Every time I look at it, I remember I remember my grandfather. He was very clever and kind. Excuse me. I really like old things. Of course, I have new things too. I I use my tablet every day, but I don't think I can give it to my son or daughter in the future. That's why the watch is special. Some of my friends say we don't need watches anymore because we can check the time on our phones, and it's true. But I don't agree. I think watches are beautiful. Okay, this is the reading comprehension. So, and this is that was all. So, and thanks a lot to all of you that are watching this video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed a lot. See you.